How to put phone number on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can put phone number on Roblox, so make sure to stick with me till the end. In order to put phone number on Roblox, just go to roblox.com and log into your account. Once you go to roblox.com and you log into your account, tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen, then just tap on the settings option that you can find here. Then once you tap on the settings option, again you will see this type of interface here, right? Now if you don't see the add phone number option, it means that your account is underage and you will not be able to add a phone number. If your account is above that, which means above 16 or 13 years of age, you'll find the add phone number option. You just need to tap on that to simply enter your phone number, and this way you should be able to put phone number on Roblox. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.